Hi friends, welcome to Advait Maths Academy. Today we learn about the 10th class trigonometry. In this video we learn about the trigonometric ratio, trigonometry identity and trigonometry table. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. First we revise tan theta, cos theta and sin theta. See the figure ABC is a right angle triangle. Angle B is a 90 degree, 90 degree opposite the hypotenuse. Here angle C is a theta. The side AB is the opposite side and BC is the adjacent side. Here BC is also called the base and this opposite side is also called as perpendicular. First we learn about sin theta. The formula of sin theta, opposite by hypotenuse, opposite AB and the hypotenuse AC. Cos theta, the formula of cos theta, adjacent by hypotenuse, adjacent BC and hypotenuse AC. Then tan theta, we already know sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Then the formula of tan theta is opposite by adjacent. That means AB by BC. Now we learn about the cosec theta. Cosec theta is a reciprocal of sin theta. Reciprocal of sin theta. That means hypotenuse by opposite. That means what is hypotenuse? AC. AC is a hypotenuse. C. AB is a opposite. Then learn about the sec theta. Sec theta is a reciprocal of cos theta. Then what is the formula of cos? Adjacent by hypotenuse. But the reciprocal of cos is hypotenuse by adjacent. And last one, cot theta. Cot theta is a reciprocal of tan theta. That means adjacent by opposite. See adjacent BC and opposite AB. That's very simple. See, the sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse, cos theta, adjacent by hypotenuse, tan theta, sin by cos, that means opposite by adjacent, cosec theta, 1 by sin theta. That means the reciprocal of the sin theta is hypotenuse by opposite. Then sec theta, reciprocal of cos theta. That means adjacent, hypotenuse by adjacent. Cot theta, 1 by tan theta. That means adjacent by opposite. See, sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. That means sin theta into cos theta 1. Similarly, cos theta 1 by sec theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. That means cos theta multiplied by sec theta we get 1. Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Therefore, tan theta into cot theta we get 1. We learn about the trigonometric ratio. Number 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. First we will take LHS. Sin square theta plus cos square theta Sin square theta. What is the formula of sine? Opposite by hypotenuse whole square plus what is the formula of cos? Adjacent by hypotenuse whole square. Then here write according to figure values. AB is the opposite side and AC is the hypotenuse whole square plus adjacent BC and hypotenuse AC whole square. Then separate the power. AB square by AC square plus BC square by AC square. See, AC is a like denominator, then add AB square plus BC square divided by AC square. See, according to Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. What is the value of AB square plus BC square? AC. Right here, AC by AC, we get 1 is equal to RHS. Right here reason by Pythagoras theorem. That's very simple. Now see the second one, identity. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to sec square theta. Here write LHS 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus, what is the cot square theta? Cot theta means cos theta by sin theta, right? Cos theta by sin theta whole power 2. Then separate the power. 1 plus cos square theta by sin square theta. Then cross multiply 1 into sin square theta plus 1 into cos square theta divided by 1 into sin square theta. Then cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Then 1 by sin square theta. We know that 1 by sin theta means cosec theta, right? Cosec square theta is equal to RHS. Right here reason 1 by sin theta is equal to cosec theta. Now see the third identity. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Then write LHS 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus, what is the tan? What is the formula of sin? Tan, sin by cos, right? Sin theta by cos theta to the whole power square or 2. Then separate the power. 1 plus sin square theta by cos square theta. Then cross multiply 1 into cos square theta, and 1 into sin square theta. Then 1 into cos square theta. Then we know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That means 1 by cos square theta. And we also know 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta is equal to sec theta. Therefore, we have to write sec square theta is equal to RHS. Now we learn about how to make very simple trigonometry table. See, here 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. And here the trigonometric ratio sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. First we have to write the number 0, 1, 2, 3, First write the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and divide by 4. Then make the roots and taking the square root. First sign 0. Under root 0 by 4. 0 divided by any number, we get 0. And square of 0 is also 0. Similarly, 1 by 4. Taking square root, we get 1 by 2. Right? The value is 1 by 2. Here, under root 2 by 1, reduce 1s are 2s are. In taking under root, 1 is always 1 and right as it is root 2. Root 1, that means 1. Here, root 3 by 4. Here, root 3 by 2. We get the value root 3 by 2. Here, 4 get cancel, means 1. Under root of 1, 1. See, the sin 0 is 0, sin 30, 1 by 2, sin 45, 1 by root 2, sin 60, root 3 by 2, sin 90, 1. We get the sin value. Then write this value in reverse form. We get the cos value. Cos 0, 1, cos 30, root 3 by 2, then cos 45, 1 by root 2, cos 60, 1 by 2 and cos 90, 0. Say cos 0, 1, cos 30, root 3 by 2, cos 45, 1 by root 2, cos 60, 1 by 2 and cos 90, 0. Right? Tan is equal to sin by cos. Similarly, here we have to put the formula, we get the answer. Divide 0 by 1. 0. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. We get 1 by root 3. How? See, what is the value of sin 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. Then 1 by 2 multiply the reciprocal of second number 2 divided by 3. 2 get cancelled. Answer is 1 by root 3. Here 1 by root 3. Then 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 get 1. Here root 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. Similarly, put the formula, the reciprocal of second number, root 2 get cancelled, then 3 by 1, that means root 3. And 1 divided by 0, not defined. Then cosec. Cosec is a reciprocal of sin C. Cosec is equal to 1 by sin. That means the reciprocal of sin. That means hypotenuse by opposite. So write the always opposite 0 divided by 0 not defined. Then 1 by 2, that means the reciprocal of 1 by 2, 2 by 1, that means 2. Then 1 by root 2, that means root 2 by 1. Then root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3, the reciprocal. Then 1 by 1, that means 1. Sec. What is sec? Sec is a reciprocal of cos. Sec is a reciprocal of cos. What is the formula of cos? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Here we have to write reciprocal hypotenuse by adjacent. See here 1 divided by 1 here root 3 by 2 that means 2 by root 3 1 by root 2 that means root 2 1 by 2 that means 2 by 1 means 2 0 divided by 1 not defined. What is the reciprocal of tan? What is the reciprocal of tan? That means adjacent by opposite. Here the reciprocal of tan 0 that means not defined. Here 1 by root 3 that means root 3. Here 1 that means 1 root 3 1 by root 3 not defined that means 0. This trigonometry table is so easy. आप लिखना चाहे तो लिख सकते. Thank you for watching this video. See the next video. In that we start the exercise number 6.1.